Welcome to the Saket Solutions Installation Guide. This installation guide is common to all four Saket Solutions products: Private AI, Personal AI, Homework AI, and the demo product. This video demonstrates the installation of the demo product, which installs all three AI products on a single computer. Since the installation procedure is identical for each product, this guide can be followed for the installation of any of the four products. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete installation process of your offline AI assistant. By the end of this guide, your system will be ready to run a fully local AI without requiring an internet connection for everyday use. Before starting the installation, make sure you are logged into Windows using an administrator account. Now insert your Saket Solutions AI USB into your computer. Open the USB drive, navigate to the Saket_AI folder, and double-click first_run.bat to begin the installation. The installer will verify the USB contents and prepare your computer for installation. During this process, existing application files on your computer may be replaced with the latest version from the USB. Simply press any key when prompted to continue. The installation consists of 10 steps, but only a few require your interaction. Depending on your computer's performance, each step may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. The first user intervention is required at step 3, where the Ollama installer will open. Simply click Install and allow the installation to continue. At stage 5, the installer will ask you to select an AI model. A total of 9 models are available. The DeepSeek Coder and MetaCoder models are specifically designed for software development, programming, debugging, and code generation. They are not recommended for general-purpose AI conversations or everyday office tasks. For your initial installation, we recommend selecting the smallest Gemma model, option 3, or the default Mistral model, as both offer excellent performance for general AI assistants, even on computers with modest hardware. You can install additional models later whenever needed. This is the longest step of the installation process. Please be patient while the AI model is copied to your computer. The duration depends on your computer's performance and USB transfer speed. No user action is required during this step. Selecting model is the final step requiring user interaction for private AI and personal AI installations. For Homework AI and the demo product, there is one additional step where you will be asked to enter the student's name and other required details. After this information is entered, the installation will continue automatically until completion. Once the installation is finished, a desktop shortcut for the installed AI product will be created automatically. For Homework AI and the demo product, please enter the details for up to 3 students. Fill in the required information, including the student's name, class, board, and gender. Once all the details have been entered, the installation will continue automatically until it is complete. The application will now close automatically. Congratulations! Your installation has been completed successfully. Your Saket Solutions Private AI is now fully installed and ready to use. You can now draft documents, analyze files, write reports, generate code, and work with AI completely offline while keeping your data under your control. Thank you for choosing Saket Solutions Private AI. For technical support or additional assistance, please contact the Saket Solutions team using the details provided in the instruction manual.